down the hall, laundry room to the right.
Okay, we'll see ya.
Alright, have a good trip. Thank you so much. Large bedroom, walk-in closet. Powder room. Another bathroom, 2 sinks. Nice deep tub. Shower. Another walk-in closet. And the master bedroom.